Alright, here's an old carrier unit at our hotel in Orlando, Florida. Yes, I'm back on YouTube, guys. It's been a long time. Like at least, I say 2 months. It's got, well, that fan motor's not original. It's got the scroll compressor. I think it's a Copeland. This one's located at like an arcade place that's like part of the hotel. This is a 2.5 ton from 1995 or 22. Obviously this has not been running because it is extremely cold outside. Like it's like 33 degrees in Orlando, Florida right now. Yeah, I noticed the roof was pointy on top of this, so I was like, let me see if it's got something. It's got a old system right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video real quick and see if there's actually more units. So yeah. So 1995 2.5 ton carrier. Over out.